Hey there everybody, so I'm still trying to get my phone fixed and that's why I have these earphones. A subscriber called Romulus, and he's asked me twice, and I haven't done it for ages ago, he's asked me how the paddle shifters work on Santa Fe Hybrid. Anyway, Santa Fe Hybrid, so it is the windiest day I've ever experienced at the garage here. Anyway, so the paddle shifters, if we start the car, so Santa Fe Hybrid, paddle shifters up, down. Now, do you know what? At this stage, I'm sure the person that asked me, he's probably already done his research and he already knows what it is. So it is ages ago, and I'm only trying to work back through these now. So I really apologise about how long it has taken to come back to you on this. Anyway, the paddle shifters, I'm just going to drive the car and I'll show you what's happening. The one on the left over here is a minus, so that's to go kind of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry, excuse me. And then the one on the right is the plus, so that's going to go up the gears. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. So right hand side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left hand side 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. It might be easier to see when we go into sport mode, because in sport mode you actually have the engine revolutions, so you can see the as you're going up and down through gears, you can see the engine revolutions changing. So if you watch the clock on the right, you can see the way it's going up or down as I manipulate the paddles to go up or down through the gearbox. And the thing with those paddles as well, I mean, you have to be at a certain speed. You can't go into 6th gear at 20 kilometers an hour, so it'll only allow you to change gears where it feels it's actually feasible. So far we've been using hybrid mode, so say we go into electric mode, obviously you have to come back out of sport to go into the electric mode, but if we're cruising here on electric mode, the paddles literally, once you touch them, it's just going to pull you back into hybrid mode. So you can see I'm gone back in and I'm actually manually using gears, but that means now the engine is running as well, so it seems to override the electric mode once I start using the paddles, and it just starts operating in hybrid only, so they don't seem to have any effect during electric drive. Once you're finished using the paddles, hit the D button here, so you can see the number 4, which is 4th gear, changes back to D, and now we're in automatic mode again. So here's the thing, from the point, oh my god, I'm losing my voice, I've laryngitis. So what I'd say to you is, if you want to use the paddles when you're in hybrid mode, it allows you to go up the gears. So going up the gears would be, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if you want lower engine revolutions. If you want to go down the gears, 3, 2, 1, what it's doing is, like you're about to overtake a tractor or something like that, and you wanted to drop it from 5th back down into 3rd. Yes, you've more power on tap, it's more immediately ready to go, engaging with the car and going up and down through gears for absolutely no reason. So that's what you're going to do in hybrid mode, and that's where the paddles are useful. If you're in electric mode, what will happen is, if you touch the paddles, it brings you back out of electric mode, back into hybrid mode, and allows you to go up and down through the gears. If you're in automatic mode, if you're in hybrid, same thing, it'll just allow you to go up and down through the gears, or if you're electric, it would have dragged you back into hybrid mode. No matter what mode you're in, basically, once you use the paddle, the car is automatically doing, and it'll allow you then to go up and down through gears. Like what we saw then, once you're finished using those paddle shifters, after about 20 seconds or 30 seconds, it goes back into D, which means now the car is fully automated again. Or if you just press the D button down there, that means you'll have asked it to switch back into fully automatic D mode. Anyway, hopefully that's a better indication, or you understand better, and thanks a million for watching.